This is our SL01 Narrow Spot. So in order to create that really center beam that's really tight, we had to redesign the internals of our SL01 because it's one of the hardest things to truly control is tight beam control. It's often needed when we're trying to really focus our light. Say if we're coming from a distance and lighting a statue, or we're trying to pick out a piece of architecture from a distance, we need a tight beam control. So we modified our SL01. It has the same components, same LED as our SL01, but we redid the LED, we redid the cup, we redid the optic. So on this one, we actually have our Lidl optic. Lidl is really the top in the industry when it comes to optic designs and optic control. And what this allowed us to do, it gave us a 10 to 12 degree beam spread, so it really harnessed that light control. We used our TIR optic, or total internal reflector optic, so that controls 100% of that light and puts it into that narrow focal beam. So this is a light that we don't talk about, one of the little secrets of Sterling lighting, but as a lighting designer, we often need to get that very tight beam control when we're just trying to have the focus on the object we're lighting and allow darkness to go around it. It's adjustable in its lumen output from 730 lumens all the way down to 230, just like our current SL01, but that tight beam control can really have a dramatic effect on your lighting design. Still high CRI, serviceable, everything you've come to love and know so well from the Sterling line and the SL01. Another great feature of the light is the lens that we designed. We went with a flat lens. The reason for that flat lens is it doesn't distort the light at all. What happens with the convex lens, often it can disperse the light just a little bit. So what I designed in this is a flat lens so we don't have any stray lights or any artifacts coming off the light, but we get 100% beam control. So if you're that lighting designer that loves light control, that loves putting light exactly on the object where you want, and you needed a little extra tool, the SL01 Narrow Spot is a great option for you in your lighting design. Where I've used this light in different applications, one is on downlighting when I'm lighting a statue and I want darkness around the statue. It does have a shroud that can fit on to block light glare as well, but that beam control is very helpful. Also on second stories, a lot of times if I'm lighting a cupola or a weather vane and I don't want to have light hitting the roof, I could put it on an elevated stake, 3 or 6 inches, to get it off of the roof line on a gutter mount or a second story application, and have that soft light just highlight the object, the cupola up on top, without putting light onto the roofing itself. So when you want that dramatic look where light looks like it's coming out of nowhere, where you want that beam control, this is a great luminaire for that application. Sterling lighting, we are always innovating. We're always working on our lighting designs that we personally do and the tools we need to accomplish the designs that we want to achieve. This SL01 Narrow Spot is the tool that helped me achieve some of my great lighting designs because it allowed me to control the light and the focus point. You already know the quality and the longevity of the SL01. Sterling lighting is built to last, built to perform, and built to make your lighting designers look better so you could shine.